massive update from Mistral, which is a free tool where they've actually allowed a bunch of stuff I've never seen available for free before. Number one, you actually get Canvas. You can actually use this for free directly inside Mistral. You get, for example, web search, image generation, fast responses, and this is completely free. So you can automate, for example, internal links, writing, you can share stuff, you can build your own tools. So let's get into Lead Chat, chat.mistral.ai/chat. And then inside here is a bunch of cool stuff. So for example, we can select canvas. We use this prompt right here, which has worked really well for me before. And then inside the canvas here, this is basically pulling up like an example of ChatGPT canvas. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. ChatGPT 4.0 with canvas. You can use exactly the same prompt. The biggest difference here is that ChatGPT canvas is paid, whereas this is completely free. Now, if we actually check out how much content that produced for one single prompt, 786 words. There's also got some internal links like you see right here. If you go back to ChatGPT, you can see that it's not formatted it nicely. It's not included internal links. Once you've generated that content on a canvas, you can actually export as Markdown, export as PDF, or share this with your team, kind of like a shared writing tool. You can also automate internal links. So for example, if we take this paragraph right here, we'll just grab a random page from my site. We'll say, rewrite this paragraph, but include a natural internal link to this page. And then we're going to insert the page that we want to link to. It's insert this sentence. It says, if you're ready to transform your online presence, consider booking a strategy session to get started. But it's directly inside the AI chat, which means that you can edit content, you can bold it, you can format it, and you can insert new prompts. So for example, if you're like, oh, okay, I want to simplify this language, you can do just that and then rewrite the content so it actually feels a lot simpler and easier to understand. Or because it's got it in context, we can go back to the chat and say, come up with an SEO optimized title, make it clickbait and curiosity driven. Now let's say you need to add some external links to your page. Let's try this. So I'm going to highlight, for example, this section right here. And I'm going to say, give me some ideas for relevant external links that I can, and here you can see it's actually giving us some external links, right? So you can see how easy it is to, number one, generate a big block of content that you can then chisel down into something quality by adding external links, internal links, improving the writing, adding more CTAs, improving the titles, etc. We could also rewrite the intro. So if we select that, we'll paste this in, this prompt right here to rewrite the introduction just to make it more interesting. Now, Mistral can also code. So for example, if we say create an SEO calculator, it's going to start planning it out like you see right here. And it should let you preview the front end to code as well. Whereas if we do that inside ChatGPT, it's going to write the code for you, which is great, but it's not going to let you preview it, right? If you go back to Mistral, if you click on show preview, and then you can preview the code like so. So you can prompt Mistral on the right-hand side to update the page. You've got the code on the left-hand side, and then in the middle, you've got the tool that you can create and how to use it, etc. It's pretty amazing what you can do these days. So you can just mock up a website and preview it at a couple of clicks. So for example, we say, okay, create a best free SEO calculates website. You can see here now how it's basically building out the previews, and then it explains, okay, here's what I've done, how I've done it, etc. in kind of like an easy to understand way. And that's it. In one single prompt, you create a website. Obviously, a lot of these links don't work, so you have to go back and forth and fix all the 404s and get all the rest of the pages set up. But you see how easy that is. Then if you actually want to get that live, let's say you want to host a HTML, etc., we can just go to HTML code editor. We can paste in the code right there, and you can see a preview of the actual website. One thing this is really cool for, actually, I would recommend this, is you can quickly build out like a Black Friday landing page in preparation for the end of the month. And then that has all your best deals on the page, like you see right here. Let's try something else now. I don't know if this is going to work, but we can test it out because this requires a bit more a custom coder normally, but we're going to try and create an SEO article writer. I'm going to say create an SEO article writer, drop down, etc. to do all this. One thing to be careful of as well is just making sure you select Canvas. Let's preview it now. So we have the AIs, but it doesn't seem to have like chosen an actual AI model. Let's see. I don't think this is going to work at all. Yeah, it's not up to that level of coding, but that's good to know because then you know, okay, it can create basic stuff, but it can't create stuff at the same level as Bolt or V0. Now we're going to test out the web search. Say you're trying to create an SEO optimized content outline, right? So we're going to say, right, who's ranking for the keyword? And we'll just plug in a random keyword, like SEO optimization. Just give me their URLs so I can use them for the content outline. So you can see it's searching the web, and then it's giving us some ideas of like who's on the first page for this particular keyword. Now, I don't think this is going to be using Google's API, but it's probably quite similar to what's already ranking on the first page of Google. So let's put in SEO optimization. So what developers.google, we have that SEMrush's blog there. I don't think the results are quite the same, but it's quite good to just get some competitive research. And then from there, what you can also do is tag in an agent to start creating, say, the content outline or the content creation or the keyword agent, etc. The final thing that I'm going to show you is Mistral's ability to create images. So we're going to select image generation over here, and we'll say create a picture of a cat eating a cabbage. And there we go. We have a cat eating a cabbage, and it's not bad at all. From what I can see, Mistral is basically doing everything. It's doing web search, which you don't get inside Claude. It's doing code previews, which you don't get inside ChatGPT. It's doing the editable canvas, which you don't get inside Claude. And additionally, you don't get image generation inside Claude. This update from Mistral is really, really good. As a free tool, the UI is super nice. It's got the canvas, the web search, image generation. It can create tools. You can create content. You can edit content. You can create images. And you can research your competitors. Plus, you can actually tag in agents. Super powerful stuff. Really awesome. So if you want to get access to all the prompts, tips, workflows, etc. that I've talked about today, along with all the SCPs, I'll plug that inside this document as well. And you can get access to that. It is right there, my friends. So what I'm going to do from here is I will take the link from today, and you can get that directly inside my free SEO course, link in the comments and description. This comes with over 200 ChatGPT AI SEO strategies, along with my best prompts, tips, and SCPs to get your website ranked. And if you go into the free SEO tools section and then add a new lesson called Pixtral Large, we'll plug that into my free SEO course, and you have the video notes from today directly in there. Now, if you want to get a free one-to-one SEO strategy session that shows you how to get more leads, traffic, sales, SEO, feel free to put that in, link in the comments description. We'll give you a free SEO domination plan. You can discover the secrets of SEO link building. We'll answer any questions you have one-to-one. You'll learn the best link building strategy for your website, plus how to quickly outrank your competitors link building, how to 10x SEO traffic based on what's working for us. Link in the comments description. Appreciate you watching. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.